Hello friends, this is Candy with the Candy Foot Club, and tonight we're going to make some dilly dip. It is so easy and it is so good. So I'm going to take some sour cream and I'm going to use about a cup of sour cream. It doesn't really matter how much you use. It depends on, how much dilly dip you want. So there's that. And then I'm going to put equal parts sour cream and mayonnaise. So let's get that in there. This is so yummy. I eat it with my vegetables like carrots and celery or broccoli and cauliflower. I put it on sandwiches. I think it would make a nice chicken wing dip. I put it on a chicken sandwich the other day. So I'm just going to stir this together. Equal parts mayonnaise and sour cream. Mix that in. And then I'm going to add some garlic. If you know me, I put garlic in everything. If you've watched any of my videos. So let's see. All of this is to taste. So I don't do recipes per se. I can give you the ingredients and then you can add what you like. We love garlic, so I always add a lot of garlic to mine. And then I have some onion powder. And I'm going to be quite liberal with that. So garlic powder, onion powder. I'm messy. I always say it must taste good. The messier it is, the better it tastes. And then finally, I'm just going to put in some dried dill. Again, this is to taste. I use quite a bit of it. And mix that in. Oh, it looks so good. It smells good too. I just got to smell some of that dill. And here it is. Try not to dump it out. There it is. And then I just grab some carrots. And oh my goodness. There you go. It's that easy to make your dilly dip. Mayonnaise, sour cream, garlic and onion powder, and dill. Let me know if you make some dilly dip. This is Candy with the Candy Foot Club.